Good evening and welcome to Accommodation, Hotels and Travel Reviews. Today we are staying at the Premier Inn Central in Carlisle, England. I'm going to give you a wee room tour. So we've just came in this door. You've got a lovely, excuse me, but we've got a lovely full view mirror. It does come with a hairdryer, so if you are staying here, you don't need to bring a hairdryer. A lovely glow up mirror where I'll do my makeup in the morning. There's my partner just hanging up his jacket there, so good hanging jacket facility. You've got your tea and coffee and glasses here, which are lovely, and a wee bin down there. Potatoes at the top, got a lovely big mirror, toilet, a bath, all your towels are provided, your hair and body gel, and your lovely big shower, anything behind the door. A wee coat hanger for your door. You go over here, you've got a lovely desk area, so if you are here on business, you've got a lovely thingy, nice big lamp. You can get the breakfast menu. You do get offered breakfast. It's £7.50 or £9.50 unlimited cooked breakfast, but that just depends if you're into breakfast and things. There's a lovely pull-out bed here, so if you were bringing more than 3 people, then somebody has got a bed here. Or you've got the lovely king-size, queen-size bed here. It's got some nice pictures on it as well. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below, and we'll see you again very soon. So take care, bye for now.